Okay, so with this section, we are going to be solving for a specific variable. So what we want to do with this, they're asking us to go ahead and solve for x. What that means is we need to move everything except for x to the other side. We're still going to do exactly the same way we've done before. Just everything, we're going to do it in reverse order of operations. So anything added or subtracted to the x, in this case that minus 8b, we're going to move that over to the other side. And we're going to do that by adding 8b to both sides. So when I go through and do that, what I'm left with is y plus 8b is equal to 4mx. And again, our final goal is to get this x all by itself. So anything that's not x, in this case, that 4m, we want to divide both sides by 4m. And this is actually our final answer because 4m over 4m is 1. I know it might look a little strange, but that's exactly the way we want to leave it. Let's practice another one. Something that is similar to question 2 that you may receive is 5w minus 4b is equal to p minus 8. And in this case, I want to solve for w. So again, what we want to do is anything that's not this 5w in this case, first I want to move it over. And I do that by adding 4b to both sides. And then I am left with 5w is equal to p minus 8 plus 4b. And then my last step is just to divide both sides by 5. And yes, 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So all of this is your final answer. Now, when you input that into the formulas, you want to use this bar to put it in as a fraction, and then everything in the numerator will go up top. Everything in the denominator goes in the bottom. Use your arrow keys to make sure you have it in there. A shortcut, if you want to put it in by hand, it would be parentheses p minus 8 plus 4b, end parentheses. The division sign is the same thing as my bar for my fraction divided by 5. And just keep everything in the denominator in the parentheses as well.